Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Summer 2021 registration tutorial. Our summer schedule will start on Saturday, July 3rd and end on Friday, August 27th this year. When looking at the timetable, you will notice that there are different types of class schedules. Some classes occur once a week. Most occur twice a week in the following course pairings. For example, on Mondays and Thursdays, Tuesdays and Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays, as well as Sundays and Wednesdays. Some of our classes also occur 3 times a week, such as the camp courses, which occur on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, as well as some AP/IB courses, which are also 3 times a week. For students who wish to finish the course within a month, we also offer a 1-month course that occur 4 times a week, either in July or August, and these are usually on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Now, before diving into the timetable, let's understand the course codes. For example, when you see this course code in the timetable, the first part represents the subject, the second part represents the grade, and the ×2 represents the number of classes per week. So for example, this math curriculum grade 8 course occurs twice a week. The last number represents the session number. Let's take a look at a couple more examples. So here we have math curriculum grade 8 ×2, session 7, and session 9. The main difference between these two courses is the time and date of the course, and perhaps the teacher as well. However, both courses undergo the same content. For Science Grade 9 August ×4 Session 7, this indicates that the Science Grade 9 course occurs in the month of August 4 times a week on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Here we have another example, French Level 1 Session 2. The lack of the ×2 and the ×4 represents that this course occurs only once a week. And then lastly, we have public speaking, grade 7 and 8. And again, this course occurs once a week, and it's for students in grade 7 and grade 8. Now that you understand the course code, you will need to carefully read the following documents before booking an appointment. These include the summer course introduction, the summer registration policy, and the summer registration schedule. Let me show you where to find each of these documents. You will first need to go to our website at www.olympiads.ca. Here you can find the summer course introduction. This document introduces all the courses that we offer during the summer, information about the course codes, how the courses are usually scheduled, and also highlights the courses that we offer for specialized programs such as IB, TOPS, MAX, and also private school entrance admissions courses. Please read this document carefully before registering for your first appointment. The second document is the summer registration policy. This policy explains the priority registration period for our current students. Current students are students who have been taking classes between January to June 2021. For students who took classes before 2021, you will need to wait for the regular registration period in June. Another important point on this policy is the fact that families with 2 or more children, both being current students, may register for all the children during the first registration period. For example, if you want to enroll your children in grade 6 and grade 8 classes, you can register for both of them during the earliest registration time, which would be for the grade 6 courses. Again, please read through this document carefully before booking your appointment. The last document is the registration schedule. This shows you all the courses that are offered and the registration dates for current students, which is the second column. For new and returning students, you may look at the third column. So for example, if you want to enroll in grade 6 courses, you will be able to access the booking portal starting on May 7th at 8 p.m. for appointments that are after Monday, May 10th. If you are a new or returning student, you can access the portal on June 8th for appointments after June 11th. As we mentioned earlier, if you want to enroll 2 or more children in different grades, you will only need to book 1 appointment in the earlier registration period. So if you want to enroll your younger child in grade 6 courses and your older child in grade 8 courses, you may book 1 appointment for both of them starting on May 7th for the appointment which will occur somewhere after May 10th, because the grade 6 registration period occurs earlier than the grade 8s. After reading all these documents, let's show you how to book your appointment online. First, you will need to check the registration schedule for your booking times. For current students, you will be able to register earlier. For returning students before 2021 and new students, you will be able to register in June. The next step is to pick your courses from the summer timetable. And finally, it is to book your appointment on our online portal. To access the timetable, press the top banner on our website. And this will show you all the courses that Olympiads has to offer this summer. To help you navigate this timetable easily, we encourage you to first select your choices and then view the possible courses. Let me show you an example. If you want to enroll your child in grade 6 courses, select grade 6, and this will immediately allow you to only see the grade 6 courses. Notice that our timetable is designed with the student in mind, so all our classes connect. For example, I can take math grade 6 in the morning on Saturdays, then writing grade 5-6 in the afternoon, and even English in the late afternoon. If I want to take math and public speaking, I do not have to worry about them overlapping because I can take public speaking in the morning and then math curriculum in the afternoon. Here we see some other examples. For example, Math Curriculum Camp grade 6 times 3 represents that this course occurs 3 times a week. In order for you to find the course pairings, you will need to note down the course code and look for other courses that are also exactly having the same code. For example, here, Monday, 9 a.m., we have this course. On Wednesdays, 9 a.m., we also have the same course. And on Fridays, we also have the last course. So this means that the Math Curriculum Camp occurs 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Again, our camp courses, just like all the other courses, are connected to each other for the convenience of the student. So for the Math Curriculum Camp, we have that in the morning, we have reading and writing in the afternoon, and also French level 1 in the late afternoon. If students do not want to take math, they can also take reading and writing in the morning and then SSAT in the afternoon. If you also hover over the course name, you will see the fee per hour and the prerequisites that are needed in order to take this class. Any special notes will also be noted here as well. Let's show you some more examples. If you want to take math grade 7, you can select the grade and remove the grade 6. And let's say that you only want to take mathematics and your child is only available in the evening. So you can also select for the time. In this case, the timetable will now filter out all the options and leave you with all the math grade 7 courses that occur after 4:30 p.m. So you can check the time that is best for your schedule. Once you have selected the courses, please note down the course code, including the subject, the grade, and also the session number. You will need this to fill out the information in the registration booking form. Now, when you are ready to book, go back to the home page, go to registration booking and book an appointment. This will access our booking portal. Here again, you will see the first day that the booking portal is open for a specific grade. For example, the grade 6 has now already been opened. However, the grade 7 and the grade 8 is not open yet. You will notice that the opening day for booking will always be the same. However, the tentative first appointment is subject to change. So please check back regularly for new updates. So let's say you're booking for grade 6 and grade 8 courses. You may start booking right away for the grade 6. However, if you're booking for only grade 8 courses, you will need to wait until May 15th in order to book your appointment on the booking portal. Now, on the next page, you will be redirected to the appointment times. Each appointment should be around 25 to 30 minutes long by phone or Zoom. Choose the date and time that works best for you in order to have this 30-minute appointment. If you have any questions about the course selection, you may ask our representatives during this appointment. Times that have been crossed out indicate that the time is no longer available. Upon selecting the time, you will then be redirected to the information page. So let's say we decided to book our appointment for Saturday, May 15th at 11 a.m. This page now shows you all the information that you will need to fill out, including parent's first name, parent's last name, phone, which can be either your home phone or your cell phone. If you decide to leave your cell phone, an automatic text message will be generated to confirm your appointment. Make sure to leave your email and also to confirm that email. Information for the student will also need to be submitted. Now, for current students, you will need to fill in your student ID. If you forget your student ID, you can log back into your homework account, fill in the email, fill in the password, and once you log in, you will see your student ID at the very top of the page. For new students, this area will be modified during your registration period. Now, under courses interested, please fill in all the courses that you are interested in taking. You must include the lowest grade course if you're enrolling multiple children. For example, if I am enrolling in grade 6 math and grade 8 English, I must include grade 6 math in this field. If you only fill in grade 8 English, your appointment may be revoked because this booking page is for grade 6 students only, and grade 8 registration has not started yet. Make sure you also write the non-robot check to ensure that you are not using a bot. When you're ready, press next. At the last stage, it will show you a confirmation of your booking time. A text message to your cell phone and email will also be automatically generated to remind you of your appointment time. Please check your inbox and junk mail folders to see if you get an email confirmation from noreply@olympiadsmail.ca. The secretaries will be calling you during your scheduled appointment. We hope that you found this registration tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to seeing you in the summer.